This is Dag with Emergency Lighting by Dag. I promised a unboxing video. This is something I've never done before and very well might be something that I will never do again, just depending on how the cards fall. But this was a little bit of a unique situation. I purchased a single Enforce light bar, which I'm guessing is in that box right there, from a police agency, and got a really good deal on it. And after I was sitting there getting ready to pay them for it, they sat there and said, well, we found all the other stuff that goes with it, so we're going to include it. I didn't get to go pick it up. I had to have it shipped from the UPS store, and both of these boxes showed up. So as it turns out, they really did pack this even better than I imagined that they would from the UPS store. And they put staples on all four sides where the cardboard meets, and you gotta take all of them off in order to get in there and get to the bar. Almost like a form of gambling, because this was sold as is, so for all I know, once I get this bar and open it up, it'll be all tore up and not worth anything, but hopefully with all the equipment in here, it'll make it worth my while. So I went ahead and moved the box out of the way and took off a couple layers of bubble wrap. I think this is down to layer 3, and it should be just about to the bar now. It helps when you have both hands when you're sitting there trying to take all this tape and whatnot off, so that's why I put it down for a second. Here's the bar. So it's got cut cables, but I already knew that because there was one or two pictures of the bar. Otherwise, seems like it's in pretty good shape. I've already got a new Cat 5 cable inside, so before the end of the day, we'll be able to go ahead and get this thing opened up and working. So when I find out more about that, I will pass that along and might even add it to the end of this video. So let's go on ahead and get in the other box. This is what the real mystery is, and the real reason I want to do this unboxing video is because I don't know what's in here. You don't know what's in here. We're all gonna have fun finding out together. I gotta give the UPS full credit. They definitely pack things well. Alright, so it looks like there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. It looks like, I see at the very least a breakout box. There's a splitter, and those look like all connections for a Sound Off 400 series energy siren, so there may be one of those in here. So here we are. We've got a Sound Off 400 series siren amp. That's what I was looking at and I was thinking it was. 200 watts, so that will either be for a remote head or a handheld. And I'm hoping that that's in here with the rest of this stuff. Let's keep on rolling. We have what I believe to be a 100 watt speaker and sound off signal. Hopefully that works. You can never have too many speakers sitting around. And I'm guessing this department truly did run 200 watt sirens, because here's another 100 watt siren speaker from Sound Off Signal. And now for the last package. Hopefully this is a control head. Alright, yes it is. So there we are. We have a 400 series control head with the microphone, which is something that I don't see as many of, having the microphone with it. So there it is. Simply paid for a bar, and ended up getting a bar, a siren, all the hookups, 2 speakers, and a control head. I definitely can't beat that.